Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. See, this is for all my indicator buyers who have bought uh, episodic pivot. They need to change it to the not sixth expiry. The settings, they need to change it to next expiry on the chart. Then when we changed on yesterday itself, there was bearish episodic pivot was formed yesterday around 1:15 p.m. I'm on the Gift Nifty futures, and the pattern actually repeated the same thing. Repeated the same thing. You can make out that the price moved up, came down, price moved up, and this is the complete pattern, and the rolling pivot was showing the price to be bullish. Then it is a gap up over here on the Gift Nifty. Listen to me, friends. You need to change your settings to and another feature has been added in TradingView here at the top. If you click on this, you get the news, you get seasonals, technicals, forward curve, and contracts. This is for the Gift Nifty futures. Suppose if I go to the Nifty chart, you can see yesterday itself I changed. If you click on this is the new feature. It is very convenient. You can use it. If you click on this, you get options, even technicals. What is seasonals? I have not checked. Seasonals, what is this? Average percentage it is giving. Uh, Seasonals means yearly. How it has moved, it is giving. You can get so many things and news. Let us see the news. Nothing is there, but you can go to the stocks also, you will get the news. If you click on the options by expiration, you can click on the option chain, you will get sixth. If I click on the sixth, you get all this option chain will be seen over here. From here, because the market has closed around 25,938, you get the option chain over here. Option price, these are all the price there. It has not been labeled actually. Yeah, you can see over here 24,900. Like that, you can easily access. Or if you go back and click on this options, okay, let us go to back to the chart and click on this. What you can do is you can buy strike also, you can see. Buy strike 25,950, you can see all the expiries. That is the beauty. 25,950 call option, all the expiries, the value you will get from, see, you can draw a 362, 294, 146. What about on the put side? You can see the price from here, it is 158, both are equal. On January 6th, 235, 309, 375, and 473, like that you will get. So you can select by by strike price also you can get. And I don't know whether they have provided any options. You can options to add it. Let me check. This is the gamma, delta, and you can go for gamma, delta, that is gamma. If I go there, you will get the delta chain. See, this is delta. 0.5 delta will be at the money call option. and then you can go 0.2 delta. It is out of the money call option. Like that, you can go 0.22, 0.14, 0.13, 0.09, 0.08 delta, 0.07. This will be helpful for you to hedge your position, for the margin benefits you can do. 0.05, you can go 27,200. Easily you can select. It becomes easy for you. This is how it has been done. Let me go back to the chart, and if I go to the Nifty, Gift Nifty futures, you can see the price has jumped over here. Jump is almost 194 points, 194 points on the index. Let me go back to the index, Nifty, 194 points from here. Retailers cannot trade this actually. 194 points, it is almost jumping to 26,145. It comes to 26,145. So it's a huge jump. How can you trade? How can you trade? Then these put options will be plummeted to down. The people who had sold the put option thinking the market will go down, they would have benefited very, very huge. And regarding the adjustment, you need to do episodic pivot to the next expiry, not sixth expiry. You do it for 13th of January. You do it and do then volumes will be picked up, and episodic pivot has been reflected on the market yesterday itself. Yesterday itself, so many stocks, you can see so many things, even on the gold mini futures, and it has been reflected over here. Gold mini futures, it has been reflected, a bearish EP was reflected, and then it went down with the help of rolling pivot. The trend, I mark usually high and low of the candle. That doesn't mean bearish EP, doesn't mean that market is going to go down. What you need to do is, it is the data which is giving, and when the price starts balancing out. See, if I mark the high and low and midpoint, usually I do this. Of this candle, the trigger candle, I mark a line, middle line over this. And when the price starts, price already climbed above the pivot. Here itself you got the signal, price moved above the balanced line, retested this pivot, and the trend is continuously running as positive. You could have taken a buy order from 1 to till 6:30. 6:30 in the evening, market went high, then later it started correcting. You cannot trade at that 9:45. Some people can trade, but this trade will not be smooth. This was a smooth trade, and you can anticipate further up move by keeping this as guidance. Guidance in the market, you can keep it as the same thing. You can even on the Reliance. Let us go to the Reliance stocks. Let me. Reliance Industries, the bearish EP was triggered and it has gone down. It has gone down, and let us see, there is no structure in the market. Actually, it has gone down. Only daily, if you come to the daily, it has broken below all the supports and the pivots, and the historical supports you need to see. Let me hide other indicators for me. I have created one more indicator for my sake to know the balance line and the all those things. See, you can see the price has moved down and the swing low is here. Swing low is here, and you can anticipate the support anywhere. Today, it can gather support over here. This was the previous market went high and retested, and Reliance is near this level. You can consider anytime a reversal can occur in this Reliance too. Reliance too, same type of pattern which has formed on the Nifty. You can see the Nifty chart, the same type of pattern like this. See, like this. And it was a now, if it goes like this, if it starts moving higher above that, market can go past this level. Not today or in coming days, it can go past, or otherwise it may be a liquidity sweep to go down further. So we need to consider, but it takes time. And since it is a huge gap, what you are seeing on the gift nifty, probably market may stay in a range the entire day. You can anticipate for an entire day sideways movement in the market. So friends, adjust your EP to the next expiry, not the sixth one. Then you are getting the EP triggers. EP triggers will act as guidelines for you. See, EP trigger will help you to as a guidelines. If it is 194 points, this one means if I take it, let me change it to hourly chart, and let us take the fib tool, and it is almost 0.75. I don't think see it may can pop up. It may be reflected like that. Let us see. Let us see what it does. Almost 0.75. This is unusual. This type of gap up will not sustain. Actually, it may be to seek the liquidity, and it may turn out to be, let me change it to a 4 hourly, and see, yeah, there is a liquidity. If it goes there, there is resistance in the market on an 4 hourly chart. You can trend. So it is a sideways. Again, market may pop up like this. There is possibility of Nifty going up to this and trade in sideways. Narrow range, we need to see after this pop-up narrow range how the price will start moving either to the direction or cross these levels to go higher. We don't know. We need to see what sort of price movement the market will show. Okay, friends, this is for your knowledge. I am making the video, and for all the indicator buyers, they can adjust. And you have learned about the new feature directly from the TradingView. In this button, you get the option chain also. You get the news for any other stocks also. Let me change it, and let us try any news we can see for from the FNO list. Adani Energy Solution. Let us see for the news, financials, documents. My God, you are getting so much news is there. Adani Energy Solution. Just somebody recommendation. Backs power and large cap stocks for 2026. Like that, you will get December 22nd. There is a news like that. You can go and let us go to Adani Enterprises, or let us go to Amber Enterprises. India's acquisition set to propel growth. That was on 19th. It is not the latest news. We are not getting any latest news on Amber Enterprises. Apollo Hospitals, let us check. These are all the old news. But December 2nd, Indian IT could lose out as automation speeds up. Numer Apollo Hospital, 400 bed hospital. That they are all old news. Like you can get the news, and you can get technicals. It is showing sell like that. Let us check any positive. Bharati Airtel, it is showing buy. You can go to the 15-minute chart. It says 30 minutes chart, neutral, 1 hour, neutral, 2 hours, sell, 4 hours, neutral, 1 day, buy. Even you can check for the Nifty also. Let us go back and check for the Nifty. Let us go back to the, let me take you to my watch list. Let me click on that. 30 minutes neutral, 1 hour, sell, 2 hours, 2 hours, sell, 4 hours, sell, 4 hours neutral, 1 day, it is showing neutral. Buy 7, sell, 1 minute, it is by 5 minutes, strong by 15 minutes, by 30 minutes, by. So while closing, you got this. So like that, you can check. So it is an added feature, new feature on the TradingView. You can explore and utilize that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. You need to go back to the chart and see what is happening in the live market. Even on the Bitcoin also, these EPs will be triggered, and EP has not been triggered anywhere. And now this is the running EP. Market is going up, and the crude oil EP was triggered so beautifully around 1 p.m. on the crude oil commodities, everything. The crude oil moved from 5,124 to 5,200, now 235. So like that, EP will be triggered. You need to change it. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.